throw you back. Gotta drum. Oh, I had enough of you too. Got the little brother. My fish number 3 for today. I got a grandbaby biting off the shrimp. You trying to smack me? No. Stop trying to smack me.
Ready. Oh, decent fish.
Oh, you got a fish?
Yeah.
Oh, he got a fish. Fish number 5. Fish number 5. We might have to eat this one.
And the one hand hook said,
It's my fish number 6.
You don't know. Where it's not so obvious, it is not when
Fish number 6, I think. Yeah, it's a pretty girl. She's smiling for y'all and giving y'all a kiss. Mwah.